Every site needs signage and a sign-in process, and Paperless turns that into a 1-minute job. Open your project, site management, then site access. Start with the sign itself. Your site manager and emergency contact pull straight from the project. Hit Find Nearest, and Paperless looks up the closest hospital for you. Name, address, and phone. Done. Set your site hours. Add the rules every trade must acknowledge and save. That's your site sign version 1 live. Now, the QR. Every project gets its own sign-in code and web address. There it is, active. Download the QR on its own, or grab the print-ready A4 signage PDF. Your branding, the project, the code, and the instructions all laid out. And here's what comes off the printer. Your logo, the project, scanned to sign in, zip tie it to the fence, and the whole site runs through it. Now the best bit, what the trade actually sees. They scan the code, and this opens on their phone. Your company across the top, their details. Then, the safety documents they must open and review before they can sign in. The swims for the work. Your site sign with the emergency details and rules. And the incident guidance. 1 acknowledgement, 1 tap, and they're on site, legally recorded. Every scan lands straight back here. Who's currently on site right now, and the full legal record underneath. Name, time, device. Exportable as a CSV if a regulator ever asks. Professional signage, and a sign-in book that can't blow away. Next up, purchase orders.